Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I feel older than I should? Or maybe you've noticed that your energy isn't what it used to be, and you're not sure why. Well, what if I told you that some of the things you do every day without even thinking about them might be secretly aging you faster? It's true. There are certain habits that, over time, can take a toll on your health, your energy, and even your appearance. The good news? Once you know what they are, you can start making small changes that add up to a big difference. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 daily habits that are secretly aging you faster and what you can do instead to feel younger, healthier, and more vibrant. These aren't extreme changes or complicated routines. They're simple, actionable steps that anyone can take, starting today. So, let's dive in and uncover the first few habits that might be holding you back. Habit 1. Skipping breakfast. Let's start with something you've probably heard before. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But here's the thing. It's not just a saying. There's real science behind it. Especially as we age. When you skip breakfast, your body misses out on essential nutrients that kickstart your metabolism and give you energy for the day. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and even a slower metabolism. And let's be honest, when you're tired and sluggish, it's easy to feel older than you really are. So what can you do instead? Start your day with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think eggs with avocado and whole grain toast, or a smoothie with Greek yogurt, berries, and spinach. It doesn't have to be complicated, just something to fuel your body and set the tone for the day. Habit 2. Sitting too much now. Let's talk about something that's become a big part of modern life. Sitting, whether it's watching TV, scrolling through your phone, or just relaxing in your favorite chair. Sitting for long periods can take a serious toll on your health. Studies show that prolonged sitting can lead to weaker muscles, poor circulation, and even an increased risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. And here's the kicker. It can also make you feel older than you are. The good news? You don't have to give up your favorite activities. Instead, try to break up long periods of sitting with short bursts of movement. Set a timer to remind yourself to stand up and stretch every 30 minutes. Take a short walk around the house or do a few simple exercises like leg lifts or arm circles. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel. Habit 3. Not drinking enough water. Here's a habit that might surprise you. Not drinking enough water. As we age, our sense of thirst can diminish, which means we might not realize when we're dehydrated. And dehydration can have a big impact on your energy levels, your skin, and even your cognitive function. When you're dehydrated, your skin can look dull and dry, which can make you appear older. You might also feel tired, foggy, or even achy. And over time, chronic dehydration can take a toll on your kidneys and overall health. So, how much water should you be drinking? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body. If you're active or live in a hot climate, you might need more. And remember, foods like fruits and vegetables also count toward your daily water intake. Now that we've covered the first 3 habits, skipping breakfast, sitting too much, and not drinking enough water, you're already on your way to making changes that can help you feel younger and healthier. But we're not done yet. In the next part, we'll dive into 2 more habits that might be secretly aging you faster and what you can do to turn things around. So, grab a glass of water, take a deep breath, and let's keep going. Because living your best life after 60 isn't just about adding years, it's about making those years count. Now that we've talked about skipping breakfast, sitting too much, and not drinking enough water, let's dive into the next 2 habits that might be secretly aging you faster. These are just as important and just as easy to fix as the ones we've already covered. Habit 4. Skimping on sleep. Let's be honest. How many of us are guilty of skimping on sleep? Maybe you stay up late watching your favorite show, or you find yourself waking up in the middle of the night and struggling to fall back asleep. But here's the thing. Sleep is one of the most powerful tools we have for staying healthy as we age. When you don't get enough sleep, your body doesn't have time to repair itself. Over time, this can lead to a weaker immune system, slower metabolism, and even an increased risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. And let's not forget the impact on your mood and energy level. When you're tired, it's easy to feel older than you really are. So, how can you improve your sleep? Start by creating a bedtime routine that helps you wind down. This could include things like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. And if you're struggling with insomnia or restless nights, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Sometimes small adjustments, like changing your mattress or avoiding caffeine in the afternoon, can make a big difference. Habit 5. Neglecting your social life. Here's a habit that might surprise you: neglecting your social life. As we age, it's easy to let our social connections slip. Maybe you've retired and lost touch with coworkers, or your friends and family live far away. But here's the thing: staying socially connected is just as important for your health as eating well and exercising. Studies show that seniors who maintain strong social connections are less likely to experience depression, cognitive decline, and even chronic conditions like heart disease. On the other hand, loneliness and isolation can take a serious toll on your physical and mental health, making you feel older than you really are. So, how can you stay connected? Start by reaching out to friends and family, even if it's just a quick phone call or video chat. Join a local club or group that aligns with your interests, whether it's a book club, a gardening group, or a fitness class. And don't forget about the power of volunteering. Giving back to your community is a great way to stay connected while making a difference. Now that we've covered all 5 habits: skipping breakfast, sitting too much, not drinking enough water, skimping on sleep, and neglecting your social life, you've got a solid foundation for making changes that can help you feel younger and healthier. But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on how these habits work together to create a happier, healthier you. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, haven't we? From skipping breakfast and sitting too much to neglecting sleep and social connections, these 5 habits might be secretly aging you faster than you realize. But here's the good news: once you know what they are, you can start making small, meaningful changes that add up to a big difference. How these habits work together. Think of your body and mind as a garden. Just like a garden needs sunlight, water, and care to flourish, your health needs a combination of movement, nourishment, rest, and connection to thrive. When you skip breakfast, you're depriving your body of the fuel it needs to function at its best. When you sit too much, you're weakening your muscles and slowing down your metabolism. And when you don't drink enough water, you're leaving your skin, brain, and organs dehydrated and struggling to keep up. But it doesn't stop there. Skimping on sleep prevents your body from repairing itself, while neglecting your social life can leave you feeling lonely and disconnected. These habits aren't just individual issues. They're part of a bigger picture. When you address them together, you create a powerful foundation for a healthier, happier you. Small changes, big results. Maybe it's adding a glass of water to your morning routine, or setting a timer to remind yourself to stand up and stretch every hour. Once that habit feels like second nature, move on to the next one. Share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips, advice, and inspiration. Together, we can make the golden years truly golden. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.